What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video, one of many vlogs of the day. So basically I'm gonna do a vlog every day of this week, and I'm gonna just basically do a week in the life of 26-year-old trying to get back on their fucking feet. Sun's out. It's like 6 a.m. right now, 6:30. And step one of this rebuild is stay fucking locked in on my routine. And luckily my kids aren't here for a little bit, so it's easy for me to reestablish my structure. But when they come back, it's gonna be a lot harder. And I'll take you through that journey as well. But as of right now, we're just gonna work on the basics. And routine is very important. It's like the number one thing I think to get your life back together. You have to have structure, and that's one thing I did have back in 2022 and 23. I really was very strict on waking up and not being a lazy fuck. So today really the plans are, I have to trade. I just set up this 5K demo account on one of my brokers, and I really need to work on my consistency with profitability. Now, there was a point in time where I was consistently profitable, but I feel like my performance has slipped. There's been a lot of things that affected my performance, but no more of that shit. We're simply just gonna be vibing through the week on a daily to bring myself back together and eventually make it to the top, bro, because I think this is well overdue. And I should have been where I wanted to be 2 years ago, but it is what it is. If you haven't already, subscribe down below. I know these aren't really popular on my channel yet, but we're gonna shift it. We're gonna make that paradigm shift, and we're gonna commit to this, dude. So welcome to one of many of the comeback series, where I'm building myself back up brick by brick, and it's only up from here, man. I think I've been putting this on hold for too long, and I really want to just share this journey of what it looks like when you ain't made it yet, what it looks like when you haven't gotten to where you want to be yet, and we're in our mid-20s. I mean, I'm sure there's a few of us who have big goals, and we kind of put them to the side, or we didn't push hard enough. Well, this is for the people that are that, we're gonna push hard enough this time. So do it with me, man. Change yourself 1% every day. Do one thing different every day that benefits you positively, and I guarantee you we're gonna see some positive results. What's up, guys? It's Tuesday. I'm gonna start our day off with a little gym session. I woke up a little later at 7:50, bro. Low-key not happy about that. I guess I was a little tired. Anyway, I'm gonna smash this gym session. Just finished the workout, finna slide to the crib, take a cold shower, and then probably eat some eggs and then slide to some interviews, bro. What's good, y'all? So we had a badass workout, a couple interviews and calls and shit. No luck yet. Well, really I got some luck. I just have to fucking wait. And part of this broke journey, bro, about waiting sucks. Because you're just, every day you're just stagnant. But that's not gonna stop me from making progress on my other shit. We still locking on our body, still locking on our mind, drinking more water, you know, those kinds of things. What I really need to do though, to be honest with you, I still smoke, bro. And I'm fucking 26 and there's fucking 18-year-olds making thousands of dollars a day. And, you know, they're able to let go of that shit. Why the fuck can't I? So, I don't know. Today might be the day where I just decide that I really need to quit because I'm looking at my face, bro, and I'm tired of looking like kind of aged. I want to look lean, clean, and all these other things, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm gonna have a nice afternoon walk before I get back on a little workflow. I'm gonna work on some content. I need to work on, I'm actually making a course, so it's gonna be pretty cheap, honestly. It's gonna be a little guide. So if you're interested in that, comment below. But I'm not done with it yet. But I'm working on that just to do something, man, because I need some income. And if I can't get it from a job right now, I need to create it somewhere. As far as trading goes, I'm gonna show you some trades later on. I'm not gonna go too in depth, but I'm gonna go over the profits and the losses that I had today. Keep in mind, this is a 5K demo account that I'm trading with my broker. So the main point of this account is to zero in on my strategy and become very calculated and, you know, just be more on top of the shit, you know what I'm saying? I've been trading for 5 years, but I haven't really entered the phase where I'm consistent every fucking day, where I'm just documenting everything and, you know, I have a proven track record. So that's the piece of this that I'm building right now. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna find some zen right now, enjoy nature, do some affirmations, and yeah, we're gonna start this workflow. So y'all, I did not record at all yesterday. I think low-key I was kind of busy. I was just doing a lot of work on my computer, and I was already filming for a reel that I was making. But we're on the way to an interview, boys. I will not disclose any details until we get the news. But yeah, hopefully this is the end of this fucking broke bullshit. But yeah, we rocking some drip. Yeah, I got a nice fit. I feel good. Hopefully it goes good. I really want this to be the spot, but we'll have to see ultimately. S550 looking baddie. Alright, let's hop in our baby S550, right? Oh, dude. So we went to the interview. It didn't go bad per se, but he's gonna look into it and see what he can tell me. So right now, we fucking wait still. I have an interview on Monday for another job, and then I have something on the 10th as well for something else. So the waiting game begins, bro. It still continues, rather, not begins. Yeah, this is the reality, dude. So the glamour and shit, that's on the other side of this, bro. And no matter how angry I am about this bullshit, I know that if I make it through, then there's no fucking limit to what we can do. So with that being said, we're gonna slide back to the crib, probably do a workflow session. Might go to Starbucks and do that. I guess I'll see y'all when we get to the crib. What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the end of this week-long vlog, essentially. I really didn't do too much cool shit. I wasn't able to show y'all much cool shit, anything. But overall, stayed consistent on the workout routine. I've been pretty consistent on my other routines as well. And truthfully, all I need to do by this weekend, I want to finish my course, and I have some other work that I need to finish up. But hopefully next week I can lock in a fucking job and we can be on our feet again. So sorry for the boring vlog this week, but hey, there's more where that came from, right? Anyway, I want to say thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe down below, and I promise you in the near future we're going to have some more dope content. We're just we're in the growth stage right now, and I gotta embrace it. Anyway, see you on the next video. Thank y'all for watching. Deuce.